Hello, Daryl with the Automatic Trade Desk, August 4th, 2023, 10 contracts short on the ES. It is 11:16 and change Pacific time. We're printing about a bar every 2 seconds, sometimes faster, okay, sometimes a little slower. I think I've seen 2 or 3 bars in a second, in fact. So I've expanded this chart so you can see the bars and you can see what's going on here, okay? We are currently short, as I said. This is our open P&L on this trade. 10 contracts short on the ES. Okay. What about our close P&L? Right down here, close P&L 93.75. How'd we get that? We had one target and one stop so far. This is our result, okay? Currently an open P&L. Nobody knows how that will resolve. Now, am I hoping this no hands trading will show us a target right now on the ES? Yeah. What are we doing? In practicality, we're 4 points away on the ES, 16 ticks from our target right now, roughly, okay? When I see that, maybe 16 to 24 ticks it looks now. But as you know, the ES will just kind of bubble along. We'll probably, if we keep bubbling down close to our target, we'll probably hit our target a few times and not fill. But if we go through the tick, if we print through the tick, okay, we know we're going to fill. So just thought I'd keep an eye on this. You can see we got a huge volume happening down here. We're 10 contracts in these 1 second or 2 second candlesticks here, or even faster. We have way more than 100 contracts on average, okay, every second. So the liquidity on the ES is amazing. Look, there's a little dip towards our target. I'm not saying it's going to fill. Nobody knows. But this is no hands trading. That's why I put my hands up. Here we're getting close, okay? We'll probably hit it a couple of times, okay? Like I said, there's a lot on the bid and the ask on the ES. That doesn't mean, and this is our first little foray down here. So we may get down close and then go back up and bounce away from it. Nobody knows the next tick of the market. I can't stress that enough. Now, when I'm looking at it, I'm within 3 ticks of my target right now on the ES. Now I'm within 2 ticks. There we go! We just filled. As you can see, we printed through. There we are. Just as I said. Now what? We traded again already. We're long. Our target's above, our stop's below. Daily candlestick right here. Close P&L on the ES, 28,125. Currently printing against us. Stop below, target above. 28,125. That's 2,812 a contract, my friends, okay? Amazing trading right before your eyes. The results speak for themselves.